All right, we're doing something a little different on the channel this time. We're doing a bit of an unboxing video. I just got a shipment from Wine Spies, which there is a link down in the description if you want to earn a little free wine. I'll get some free wine too. But I wouldn't tell you to. I wouldn't even encourage you to go near signing up for a service like this, except they have real cool features and a really good, and so far a really good track record with me. The coolest thing is that they let you build wine lockers, and then and while you do pay California state tax on all of your wine shipments, they store the wine for you until you get to a case, right? 12 bottles, and then they ship it for free. So it's overall pretty economical, and then the daily offers you get are really neat and sometimes really unique. So well, here, check out what I bought, and then give Wine Spies a try for yourself. I think there were some good deals in here, but what happens is you buy some wine over the course of 6 months, you forget what you actually bought. So let's have a look. Hopefully you'll be intrigued. All right. We got two of these bad boys. 2016 Tenuta Belgardo Toscana Rosso. So this is from Mazzi, from the Maremma region, and Mazzi is what do they do? I think is they Massetto. This is like it's a little sister of, or a little brother of, one of the real expensive Super Tuscans that are out there. So that's pretty cool. Let's see, I see two Diego Conterno 2017 Barolos. How about that? Cute little label. 2017 Barolo. No rush to drink these bad boys. Although, you know me, I like to sample wines, maybe see how they develop ahead of time. I have another pair here. Fandel Cellars 2014 Cabernet. I thought that was kind of cool, getting a Cabernet that has some age on it in as part of this order. Let's move you here. Heavy red focus on here, which I didn't necessarily do on purpose. Continuing with the theme, Frisson 2019 Cabernet from the Napa Valley, the Rutherford district. So this is a high rent district. We know Rutherford, very high rent district. Excited to eventually experience these. Let's get these in the back. And then I have 3 more bottles and a mystery bottle. Here is a California red blend called Metal Bender. That's fun. I don't know. Did I not buy 1 bottle of white wine? No white wines here. 2016 Drink Pinot Noir from the Russian River Valley. And then last but certainly not least, the 2017 Les Cigars Volant, right, from Bonnie Doon Vineyards, and our friend Randall Graham. I mean, he's our friend. He's a legend in the wine industry. I guess we'll be drinking some red wine on camera, huh? See you guys soon. So this is the fun part of the Wine Spies box opening, right? I have this, I bought a bottle, I added a bottle to my case of, I don't know, they call them like mystery bottles. And in this case, I bought this mystery bottle. I don't know what it is, and they intentionally wrap it in this tissue paper, nice and sealed. Let's see what it is. Let's see what this bottle is. Come on. This is very exciting for you to watch me open, or struggle to open tissue paper. They did a really nice job wrapping this. All right, Cabernet Sauvignon 2012. All right, so this mystery bottle, now I have a lot of Cabernet in this order, but that's okay. This mystery bottle is Formsby and Adams Leading Horse 2012 Cabernet Sauvignon from Langhorne Creek. from Brothers in Arms. Where's Langhorne Creek? South Australia. All right, fun. Cool. So that's neat. Again, with Wine Spies, right? You kind of build up a case over time, right? So here and there, you buy a bottle, and then it ships for free. So it's a really cool feature. That was the mystery bottle. I happen to add one to my cart. That's fun. We'll do a review on it. See if it tastes. We'll see if it was worth the mystery price. Except I'll tell you how much I paid. Hope all is well, and I'll talk to you guys soon.